Welcome back to News Nexus, your trusted source for global news, financial insights, and future trends. Today, we're diving deep into a question that could reshape both your daily life and financial future. Digital currencies are rising fast, but will they completely replace cash? And the most important question, are you ready for that shift? For centuries, humans have used different forms of money to exchange value. From seashells to silver, from gold coins to printed banknotes, money has always evolved with time. But now, the world stands on the edge of a financial revolution. A new form of money is emerging, one that you can neither hold nor see: digital currencies. From Bitcoin to government-backed digital cash, this shift is happening globally, and it's accelerating. Before we talk about the future, let's rewind and understand how money has evolved. First came the barter system, where people exchanged goods directly, like wheat for fish or salt for meat. As human societies grew, this became too complicated, so people turned to commodity money: gold, silver, shells, and salt. Then came fiat currency, government-issued money like dollars, euros, and rupees. Over the last 2 decades, money has gone digital through credit cards, online banking, and payment apps. But now, a new chapter is beginning. Programmable, decentralized, and centralized digital currencies are poised to define the future of money. So what exactly are digital currencies? Let's break it down clearly. First, there are cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are decentralized, meaning no government or single entity controls them. They run on blockchain technology and offer privacy, but their value can be extremely volatile. Then there are stablecoins, which are digital currencies tied to real-world assets, like the US dollar or gold. They offer the stability of traditional money with the convenience of digital use. And finally, Central Bank Digital Currencies, or CBDCs. These are digital versions of your country's currency, issued and controlled by the central bank. Countries like China, India, and members of the European Union are already testing or rolling them out. Why are governments around the world pushing for digital currencies? The reasons are quite straightforward. First, they help combat cash-based crimes like money laundering, drug trafficking, and tax evasion. Second, they enable faster and cheaper transactions, especially across borders. Third, they reduce the costs associated with printing, storing, and transporting physical cash. And finally, digital currencies can promote financial inclusion by bringing banking services to people living in remote or underserved areas. But digital currencies aren't just about government control or banking convenience. They will directly impact your everyday life. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this cashless future. The advantages are tempting. There's no need to carry a physical wallet. Payments become instant, global, and more secure. Counterfeit currency becomes obsolete. And losing your wallet or getting robbed no longer means losing your money. But there are also significant downsides. Digital currencies will be fully traceable, meaning every transaction you make could be monitored by banks, financial institutions, or even governments. Central banks might gain the power to freeze your digital wallet or limit your spending in real time. Cybersecurity risks will increase, from hacking to software glitches. And let's not forget, total reliance on technology means if your device fails or networks go down, you could be locked out of your own money. Many people once believed that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin would replace cash altogether, but so far that hasn't happened. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies still face major hurdles, including price swings, regulatory uncertainty, and concerns about energy consumption. But they've done something revolutionary. They've introduced the world to the power of blockchain technology. And now, governments are using that same technology to build their own stable and regulated digital currencies. Let's take a quick look at how this shift is playing out around the world. China is leading the race with its digital yuan, already used in pilot cities and for public salaries. The European Union is preparing to launch the digital euro. India is testing its digital rupee in both wholesale and retail markets. The United States is carefully studying the idea of a digital dollar, though no official launch date has been announced. Nigeria has already introduced the e-naira, and several other African nations are following suit. One thing is clear: the future of money is digital, and cash is slowly becoming history. So, are you ready for this cashless future? Here are a few practical steps you can take to prepare. First, stay informed. Central banks and governments are making decisions right now that could directly impact your financial life. Second, learn how digital wallets work, because they're likely to replace your leather wallets sooner than you think. Third, diversify your assets. Don't keep all your wealth in one form. Balance your portfolio with cash, crypto, stocks, and property. And finally, strengthen your cybersecurity habits. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious when managing your digital assets. The age of digital currencies isn't coming, it's already here. Whether you're buying a cup of coffee, transferring money to family overseas, or investing in your future, the tools and the rules are changing fast. The question isn't whether digital currencies will replace cash. The question is when. And the only question left for you is, will you be ready when it happens? Thanks for watching News Nexus. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more global insights, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead. See you in the next video.